Hey, welcome to this June 9th, 2022 edition of Stevie Solves. Today's puzzles by Dan Ziring, and as always, I like to start with a gratitude. And today I'm feeling especially grateful for my friends back in Arizona. As you may know, I moved from Arizona to Florida back in January, and I'm moving back. I'm finally moving back. It's been 4 months here in Florida, and I'm feeling like it's just not for me, and I really miss all my friends so much, and just miss the routine, the normalcy of being in Arizona. So I'm super excited to get back there and play with all of you wonderful people there. Whew. All right, some sleeveless undergarments. Informally, I think it's like a cami, I believe, a type of woman's bedtime thing. Old Coke vis-a-vis new Coke in marketing. Something light, low-cal. I'm thinking, is this an A? Like if this is a C for cami, this could be an A, like cal. Creature whose saliva acts as a blood thinner. This is eek. This, I think, is camis. Bygone rulers, Shaws. You got that C there, so there's not a lot of other letters that could fit, but I think it's the Shah. Scatter is to strew. Shah was the ruler of Iran. I don't know if if the United States helped to overthrow him or if we installed him. I can't remember. Shade could be a variety of things. Shade could be if you're hating on someone, you're throwing shade. It could be providing protection from the sun. It could be a type of color or hue, which I believe it is in this case. One wearing a traje de luces, suit of light, in the ring. I want to say torero, traje de luces. Yeah, I would say a torero. They wear the big flashy. Toro, of course, is bull. Taurus, toro, bull. Torero means the bull man, so it means it's a bullfighter. But also matador means killer, so torero, maybe not right. It may result in damages. Need more information? One side of the bet. One side of a bet. Could be even, odd, odds. Eggs are ova, Latin term. Star with low luminosity, red dwarf. Well, I thought it's a red giant. Let's see. So even is one side of a bet. All right. The Minutemen, for example, the Minutemen makes me think of the Minutemen could be like literally the what is it, militia back in the day. Or it could be a mascot of a college. One wearing a suit of light in the ring. You got lucha libre. May result in damages. I think that's tort. Oh, this is over. Over, under. Torero, tort, the Minutemen. I think this is a radio something. CeeLo Green's Forget You, and the Black Eyed Peas, Don't Mess With My Heart. Radio edit, because CeeLo's original song is Fuck You. We're riding around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you. But I think it's radio edit. Bother persistently. Eat at. Let's see if it's what Britain left in 2020 in brief. I believe this is a reference to Brexit. Has that only been 2 years? Is it the EU? I think it is the EU. The EU. This looks like trap. Lil Nas X, Old Town Road. Trap music is a type of hip hop. Bother persistently. Is this an H? Giggle. Hee hee. Ingredient in sushi rolls and poke bowls. Ahi. Yes. Why? Ahi ro maybe? R-O-E. Place for a hammer and anvil. That's your ear. So tuna. I'm thinking it's UN in one block. That's what I'm thinking. Irene, don't know. Fixed up, redone. The hammer and anvil lie in your ear. They're bones. It's like TU or distribute as pineapples. That's funny. Oh, the Minutemen is a trio? Okay, I don't know. I guess it's a group. Because this is an O. So what do you do when you distribute something? Dole out. And dole makes pineapples. So that's a little double entendre there. That's funny. This still seems like pester. Oh, the EU? The UN, no, the EU, like I said. Ahi, tuna. That's weird. Seasoned sailor is an old salt. It's a nickname that you mostly hear in crosswords. Popular urban hangouts are the stoop. You hang out on the stoop, like in places like Philly, up north, where there's like stairs leading up to the front door. So out in front of that, they call it the stoop. Something now. One time. Political button. Not Ike now. Air now wouldn't make sense. Eve. Sanctuary scrolls. Torahs. Wheelhouses is your areas. Urban ill would be smog. Spiritual leader, that would be your guru. C37 across. Some Sundance submissions or a hint to 4 squares in this puzzle. So there's definitely something wrong with this little puzzle here. I think it's indie films. Some Sundance submissions are indie films. Otis Redding's genre, soul something. Grist for a mill. Don't remember that. A mentored one would be a protege. Powdered, in a way. Powdered. Can't think of that. Underground New York City group. I believe that would be like station, like subway, like the MTA, Soul Music, maybe. What's this? Did a job on. I think that's heisted. Yep, because normally you wouldn't want an AHS, but since we already thought this was Torah. Ridiculous intro. Utterly ridiculous. See, ridiculous introduction with a question mark. So you're thinking outside of the box. And what they mean here is a word that you often hear before the word ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. Sapo, for one. Was that a tyrant? It's a word that would fit. Dynast would also fit. Journalist Ida B. Wells. Let's see. Let's get a little more of this. Some Sundance submissions. I need more. Comedian who said, embrace who you are. Literally. Hug yourself. Don't know. Oh, Ellen. Sounds like an Ellen DeGeneres. Actress Long. That would be Nia Long. Best actor winner for Bohemian Rhapsody. I think that's the movie about the Queen guy. I can't remember his name. Sapo might have been a typist. I don't know. Place for icing. Cake. Trace could be to draw or outline. It could be a hint. Place for icing. Don't know. Faucet. Accessory. You got the drain closer. I don't know what that's called. Rom-com staples. That would be meet cute. I want to say UT. Ahi tuna. Wow, that's so... Oh, I bet you this is IT. This is pester. This is N. This is IT. Because that's and, so it's going to be 2. Okay, I need rebus. IT. Some Sundance submissions. Or a hint to 4 squares. Don't know off the top. Creature whose saliva acts as a blood thinner. A leech? Probably. Queen of 40 down. What's 40 down? Queen of Soul is Aretha. E-T. Okay, so this is meet cute. Yep. E-T. But see, it's plural, right? So it's got to be meet cutes. This is Aretha. Faucet, accessory, aerator. Egg holder is a sack. Old Coke. Vis-a-vis new Coke. It would be classic. Rugrats' dad, I guess, is Stu. A trace is an iota. Like, there's not one, you know, I didn't find one iota of sunflower seeds on the lawn. Whatever. Christmas display. That would be the... Place for icing. A short film. Bank offering with a fixed payment schedule. I want to say that's 10-year loan or just 10-year. Actress Long. It's got to be Nia Long. Place for icing. Ache. When something hurts. When something aches, you put ice on it. Cretch. I think this is an H. Calls. Hollers. Okay. It's a pretty confusing puzzle so far. Cold War initials, I believe that's the SSR. Words on a candy heart. I love you. Something. Is this an S? E-commerce site with a portmanteau name. Portmanteau is when you take two words and put it together, such as smog. Where is that? Like we've already seen in this puzzle. Smog is smoke and fog. That's what portmanteau is. Amazon. That would be... No, that's not. Verizon is because it's apparently like Horizon and I think Veritas or something. E-commerce site with a portmanteau name. I need more. Is this an R? Win by a narrow margin. Eke out? Steamed would be irate. Mexican sandwich. Torta. A Day Without Rain. I think that's Enya that sings that. Used to love her. By a narrow margin. Barely. Come out of one's shell would be to molt. E-commerce site with a portmanteau name. Maybe you can think of that, but I can't. Words on a be mine. Words on a candy heart. Don't know. Sisterly. Well, you have a sorority, so I'm thinking it's sororo. Kiss Me. Oh, and KGB. Well, that's... Okay, they still talk about the KGB. Groupon? Is it UP? Yep, I'm gonna guess that's UP. Rebus. Group, yep, so you got group and coupon. Combine it, you get Groupon. That's a portmanteau. Super. Increasingly common weather event akin to a hurricane. Superstorm? Look at me. Maybe. Word after G. G6. G8. Word after G. Is this an E? Gender queer identity? That's a weird word. Gender queer identity? They. Look at it. This is an I. Word after G. Is this they? E, that would be an E. Bone to pick at dinner, say. Leg bone. Super. I'm just going to put storm. Oh, rib. Gender queer identity. By a narrow margin. Slimly. Gender queer identity. Baby. Look at it. Toby. A lyrist. Someone who plays the lyre, I guess. Bank offering with a fixed payment schedule. Something loan. Word after G. Gmail. Look at me. NB? I don't know. I don't get that. One with Windows. Capitalized, so it's going to be Microsoft, like iPhone, or no. A droid. PC. I don't know. One named former wrestler who twice won the WWA Divas Championship. WWE. One named female wrestler. Don't know. Like a comet's path. Arced. Because it kind of comes around, gets sucked in, and then goes back. Powdered in a way would be sugared. Makes sense. Grist for a mill. Pog? A log. Oh, log, like a sawmill. MTA. Oh, PC user. So it is soul music. One named championship WWE wrestler. Page. Tesla for one is a car. Italian sportswear brand named after a Greek letter. Well, there's a letter Kappa. Short films. Okay, so you had E.T., that's a film. It, that was a film. Us, I guess, was a film. And Up was the Ed Asner cartoon. I'm thinking this is a Terra loan. Term. Tough puzzle. I want to admire that thing. Dan Ziring, good job. Short films. It makes so much sense now. Yeah, I'm like, E.T., what is that? But yeah. So get it, short films, as in the title of the movie is short, right? Man, pretty cool to use those little rebus in there. Some people don't like a rebus. There are purists who say it should be one letter per square no matter what. I disagree. I think rebuses are more fun. They're more challenging. I imagine it's more challenging for the puzzle maker, but I don't even know because I've never tried to make one. I would think it would be, I could see how it might even be easier to just want to add a little second letter in there in one of the squares and make it work. Cool. So the word of the day is portmanteau. I already told you what it is, but it's a when you combine two different words. So mansplaining is a portmanteau. So as far as something in the clue, in the puzzle, ich, I-C-H, German for I. Like ich bin means I am. Ich bin, du bist, you are. Ich means I. Ich bin ein Stinkerbär. Ich bin ein Berliner. All right. Hope you enjoyed this puzzle. Make it a great day.